In today's video, I'm going to clear up a very common question: how to code in itch.io. If you've been wondering where the coding happens, how to prepare your game, and how to get it onto itch.io correctly, this guide is for you. And just so you know right away, itch.io itself is not where you write your code. Instead, you create your game in a development tool like Unity, Godot, or HTML, then upload the finished project to itch.io. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, understand the role itch.io plays in the game creation process. Itch.io is a platform for hosting, sharing, and publishing games. Think of it like a storefront or game page, not a coding environment. That means you will not open itch.io and start typing code directly into the site. Instead, the actual coding step happens in a separate program. If you are making a game in Unity, Godot, or using HTML and JavaScript for a web game, that is where you build the mechanics, visuals, controls, and gameplay. So the first step is to choose the tool that fits your project. If you want to make a 2D or 3D game, Unity is a popular option. If you want something lightweight and beginner-friendly, Godot is a great choice. And if you are building a browser-based game, HTML is often the starting point, usually along with CSS and JavaScript. Open your chosen tool and write your code there. This is where you create the game logic, test movement, add menus, set up enemies, or build whatever features your game needs. Once your code is finished, the next step is to build or export your game. In Unity or Godot, this usually means using the export or build option, so your project becomes a playable file or web build. If you are using HTML, make sure your game files are organized and ready to upload, especially if you are publishing a browser game. The goal here is to prepare your game in a format that itch.io can host properly. After your game is built, open your browser and go to itch.io. If you do not already have an account, create one and log in. Once you are inside your account, look for the option to upload or create a new project. This is where you will add your finished game files. You may see fields for your game title, description, cover image, tags, and pricing options. Fill those out carefully so your page looks professional and clear to players. Now upload your game project. If it's a downloadable build, add the exported files that players will download. If it's a browser game, upload the HTML version exactly the way itch.io recommends so people can play it directly in the browser. Make sure the correct files are selected, because uploading the wrong build can stop the game from running properly. It is always a good idea to test your project before publishing. After uploading, review your page settings and make sure everything looks right. Check your description, your screenshots, your file types, and your visibility settings. Then publish your game. Once it's live, players can visit your itch.io page and play or download your game, depending on how you set it up. So to recap, you do not actually code inside itch.io. You code in Unity, Godot, or HTML, build your game, then upload it to itch.io and publish it there. That is the full workflow. And once you understand that, the process becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a full step-by-step on uploading a game to itch.io next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.